What's up, everyone? Today I will teach you how you can create a website from scratch using Claude Code and then using Claude Code as well to do the SEO for that website, okay? You can forget about using WordPress, Elementor, Wix, Webflow, nothing of that, all right? You will stop spending hours and days building websites for local businesses and you will start doing them in a few minutes using Claude Code with this skill right here, all right? This is a skill I created to develop local business websites, all right? If you want it, I can give you access in the comments. Just let me know in the comments that you want it and I can share this skill with you. And pretty much this is built for local businesses, all right? So yeah, this is especially interesting if you have, let's say, a web design agency, or if you build and sell websites for local businesses, because with a few information and details, you can literally build a beautiful website that doesn't look like AI and that will get your websites and your clients' websites ranked if you follow these steps. So yeah, first of all, we're here in Claude Code. You will need a few things to achieve all of this workflow. The first one will be the Claude desktop app with a Claude subscription, all right? And then you will have to come here to customize, and you will have to create an account on GitHub, okay? This is GitHub. Sounds complicated, but it's not. You literally just create an account and you log in, and then you will need Vercel to host the website, okay? So these are the only things you will need. And yeah, I've already created a website, okay, but I will show you here what was the process, because I literally just created this in one shot. So yeah, I just pasted here the skill, all right? It has every information that Claude needs to create a beautiful website. And then after that, Claude just had to ask me more context about the business, all right? Like the business name, the location, the services they offer, the contact info, and the language, all right? And I literally pasted here a few details I have about a business, all right? This is dummy, but it's just to show you and to give you an example. And then after that, Claude in one shot created this website right here, okay? You cannot see it very well, but let me open it on the web so you guys can see. And here it is, all right? A beautiful website. Of course, it doesn't have images yet because I just wanted to show you as an example, but you can see that this is an amazing local business website, okay? So now, after you have the website done, you will want to host it on the web, okay? Because right now, this is just a folder, this is just a file under my computer, okay, in a folder. So to get it online, you will need to first create an account on GitHub, okay? And then you go here to repositories and you click to create a new one, okay? And you literally just give it a name, okay? You have to give it a name. You can choose the visibility, and then once you click here on this green button, the repo will be created. And after that, all right, you will want to connect your GitHub account with Claude so you can control everything from your Claude Code, okay? So after you create this GitHub and the Vercel account that we'll do after, you literally can do everything from your Claude. So to do it, you just come here to customize, okay? You will click here on connectors. You will add a new connector and you will look for GitHub integration, okay? So once you click it, you'll just have to approve and authorize, and Claude will be connected to your GitHub. And to host the website on the web, you just create an account, a free account on Vercel, all right? You click here to add a new project, okay? And then you literally just have to connect it with your GitHub account as well. You will then find your repo and you just click import, okay? I already did it. Where is it? So I already did it. Here it is, Freedom Power, sorry. Yeah, and then you will be hosted on Vercel, and this website is already online, okay? So right now it's freedompower.vercel.app, but you will have here the domain section where you can literally connect your domain. And the cool thing and a cool use case you can do with this is like, it became so fast to create websites for local clients that you can literally create a draft like this in minutes to, let's say, companies that do not have a website or that have an outdated website, and you can just outreach them and say, hey, whatever Freedom Power owner, I've just created a website for your business. Here is the link. Take a look at it and let me know if you want to keep it, and we can finish building it for you. And you can, of course, charge money, let's say like $500 for this website. Then you just literally need to fill the images, okay? These are placeholders right now. You literally just need to find images or ask him images and add to the website to have a perfect website. So yeah, the website is already online, okay? And if you come here to Claude Code, all right, you just need to create a new session for Claude Code. You will come here where it says local, and you will select the cloud environment that you created for your GitHub, and then you already find your repo, okay? So we are now working remotely with our repo, okay? So you can literally do whatever you want regarding SEO just from your Claude Code. For example, I can ask him to, and this is something that I will recommend you guys. You will first ask him to create a sitemaps, a Robots.txt, and an LLMS.txt file to start working on the SEO. So I will just come and type here, create a sitemap, a Robots.txt, and an LLMS.txt file. All right. And once Claude is done with his job, it's going to upload it automatically to your website. Okay. So you don't need to be, you are not working locally anymore. Right now, you're working directly on the website. And this is the cool part of it, is that you don't need to be uploading files or dragging files from your desktop to the cloud. No, everything is being done automatically. So you just need to give instructions to your Claude Code, and you will perform those actions. And as you can see here, Claude already created these files for us. You can see first the LLMS.txt, which is a file that you upload to your website so the AI crawlers can find and understand your content better, okay? It has who is the company, the services they provide, the about, and it even has the contacts. Then you have the robots.txt, and you have the sitemap as well with the whole pages. So yeah, this is how you do SEO from your Claude Code, all right? The next step for it would be to create a blog, all right? You will literally just type in Claude Code to create you a blog page. And then what you could use to increase your SEO is this prompt right here that I set up to you guys. Let me just find it, arvow.com/Claude Code prompt. Okay, this is a workflow that I recorded, and I showed you a website, an example of a website that is doing $12,000 a month with this workflow. All right, it's a skill. You just need to copy all of these. All right, you literally copy all of these. You don't even need to read it. Okay, and Claude will know exactly how to connect with the Arvow API, which is an SEO end-to-end platform that brings you organic traffic to the website. And from that moment on, you will start publishing, generating and publishing directly to the website SEO-optimized articles. So yeah, this video was more about on how you can literally create websites and connect them with GitHub and Vercel so you can control all of your SEO from Claude Code. But then the second part of the workflow of what you should do if you're doing this for your website, for your business, or even for local clients is using this workflow right here to automate everything on the SEO, okay? And I can show you how this works. You will just need your Claude subscription. Of course, you will need your Claude Code desktop app, and you will need an Arvow subscription so you have access to the Arvow API. And then once you connect your Arvow API key to your Claude Code, this is what's gonna happen, okay? You're gonna give it your website URL. Claude will then crawl all the websites and the sitemap, so we will fetch all the pages that are inside that website. You will start doing competitor analysis on the map, okay? So we'll look for business that do the same thing as you in your local area, and you will find all the content that they're producing and publishing to the website. After that, after analyzing all the gaps, all the clusters and priorities, it will give you a content plan for the next 30, 60, or even 90 days. You will approve that plan, okay? And once you approve that plan, you will start doing a SERP analysis to every keyword. So let's say, for example, the first keyword of your content plan is solar panel cost in Texas. You will run that keyword on Google, okay? You will extract all the content from the top 5 results on Google for that keyword, and you will build you outlines, okay, with custom H2s and H3s that you should use in your articles. And once you approve those outlines, you will then literally automatically generate the articles and publish them to your website. So with this workflow, you can literally have a content engine working 24/7 for you, and the only thing that you will need to be touching and working with is literally Claude Code, okay? If you want this workflow right here, I already gave you the link, okay? It's arvow.com/Claude Code prompt. You will literally just need to copy this and paste it, okay? As for Arvow, I will leave the link in the description, okay? If you want to do things in a more manual approach, you can literally also just use Arvow and not use Claude, but I recommend using this workflow because right now it's bringing a lot of results for local businesses. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, all right? I know this sounds a little complex, but it really is not. So if you feel like you need to watch the video again, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I will try to help you setting up everything and connecting your accounts and connecting your Claude Code and your GitHub and wherever. It's pretty straightforward, but I can help you with that. Don't forget to leave a like if you found this workflow useful. Subscribe the channel, and don't forget to watch the video that will be showing right here, okay, to understand better of this workflow. Hope you enjoyed, and I see you on the next one.